Hey guys, Adi here, and today we'll be taking a look at how to replace the CMOS battery on a motherboard. It is a coin cell battery which lives in a housing of its own. It's hard to miss, but if you're unsure, the motherboard will have an indicator of where the battery is at. You'll see that the housing has a clip that holds the battery in place. You can remove the battery using your hands by pushing the clip in, but a flathead screwdriver works best. You would want to insert the screwdriver between the battery and the clip, and pressing it would pop it right open. And then you can take the battery out. Putting a new battery in is fairly straightforward. What you'd want to do is put it gently back into place, and then pressing near the clip would lock your battery in. For this, any 3-volt CR2032 battery can be used. Thanks for watching and see you next time.